Good afternoon, guys. So as we all know, today is November 17. Actually, if you're going to browse over Twitter, Facebook, it's Disney Plus Day. Because this is the first time po sa Philippines that Disney Plus will be available all over platforms. So iOS, Android, sa smart TV nyo at saka sa laptop or desktop. So disclaimer lang po, no? So, before kayo mag-download, of course, you need to check yung correct region nyo. So, sa iOS at saka sa Google Play. So, you need to make sure that your iCloud and iOS is set to Philippines. Kasi kung hindi nakaset yung region nyo sa iCloud nyo at saka sa Google account nyo sa Philippines, if it's set up like for example, Africa or Sudan or Namibia, walang Disney Plus dun, guys. So, kailangan nakaset siya sa Philippines para ma-download nyo yung app mismo. So, how am I able to download it last night? Actually, ito yung namin. Ito yung I'm using a Xiaomi Mi Box S. Platform niya is Android, of course. So, it's really easy because pumunta lang ako doon sa apps. Tapos, it's going to... Dati kasi nung sinesearch ko siya, hindi ko talaga siya ma-search. So, punta lang ako sa Play Store. And then, as you can see, ito yung mga media na nakikita ko. Wala akong makitang Disney Plus dyan dati. So, before November 17, sinearch ko lang siya. Ayun. Kasama na siya sa popular apps. So, automatically, when I open that, ayun, pwede na ko na siyang install. Also, you are unable to download this sa Roku. Sa mga OS ng smart TV such as LG, TCL. I'm not sure if Samsung supports Android, but for TCL and LG kasi, I was able to discover na yung OS nila is not Google Play or Android platform. I was able to discover as well, dun sa Apple TV, hindi siya pre-installed. So, you can only download it directly dun sa may Google Play platform at saka iOS platform. You can also access it sa laptop and desktop. So, how much is it? I was able to purchase the 369 monthly. Pero sabi nga nila, yung mga friends ko, mas makakatipid daw yung 1 year, which is only 2,290. I think, pag after nito, I'll get the 1 year subscription. And to tell you the truth, guys, mas matipid to dito sa Philippines because I was able to talk to my friend sa Canada. He was paying for $112. And that's around 4,800 pesos a year versus dun sa 2,200 dito. So, that's lot of savings. What else? Paano siya i-download? Sa iOS, you just need to search Disney, then the plus sign. Sa Google Play, you just need to go to entertainment, apps, then entertainment, and then media. Yung pinaka-popular app sa taas, it's going to be Disney Plus and then Netflix. And then Viu, and then Rakuten, and then Iki, and the Amazon. So, pinakauna doon, it's either Netflix or Disney Plus. What else? Kung hindi nyo pa rin siya ma-search, I think the best thing that you need to do is to check your TV or your smart TV kung Android siya or hindi. Because there are some smart TVs na talagang hindi siya may installan ng apps. For example, itong TV namin na Kuka, hindi ko siya may installan talaga ng apps. So, I need a smart box or an Android box para ma-support yung installation ng apps, and which we have the Mi Box. I also have a Apple TV, hindi siya may installan. So, the only thing that really worked is the Xiaomi Mi Box. So, yun lang, guys. I hope you've learned something from this video. If you have any questions, just drop a question or comment below. Thank you. Bye.